Hi, good morning, Sridhar here. In today's lesson, the one of the questions that is being asked is, see, leads are generated, but visits are less. Visits are not happening. What to do? How to increase the visits? This is the question. A good question. Leads are generated means, leads when you say, see, when you post a property in a portal, people will explore, keep exploring, and then they touch your property, and then that is captured. That lead is captured. Probably he's just doing some research work. You never know. So he may not be a serious lead, but nevertheless, it's a lead because he has been exploring. So, but you don't know at that time that whether he is really serious or just an explorer. Your job is to see that whether he's a serious lead or not. So I advise all my team members that do not pick up the phone and then speak to that person straight away saying that you inquired, because he will not remember all that. Because he has been exploring, he has been seeing all the portal advertisements and all that. The moment you pick up and say, "Sir, you saw my advertisement in 99 acres or OLX or Magic Bricks," and then I am so and so, sir, calling from so and so organization, and so can I give you more details? First of all, it will take some time for him to understand from which property you are referring to. I've seen 10 15 properties in online, so I don't know what it is, right? Suddenly you're calling up, so because he is not very clear, his reply will not be accurate. He will not be able to tell you this thing, so you need to give him time. So for that, the best advice for you is to first of all take the link, copy the link of the URL, and then you should send a message to him. Sir, you have responded to my advertisement in so and so property, and the property link is given below. So when he clicks and opens that property, he will remember, yeah, I had seen this property. Okay, then he will be able to connect you to the right this thing. Then when he replies to you, it will be perfect. Now, 85% of the real estate agents, they don't know this technique. What they do, they simply pick up the phone and then call up, sir, you saw my advertisement. I am so and so. So can we speak? He knows that he has been exploring. He knows that, but he is not remembering which property you are referring to. So he will ask you questions. He will put you, that questions will be so many, or sometimes supposing your answer is not accurate to that, he will lose interest in you and then keep the phone down. Because 10 other people would have done the same thing. 10 other agents would have called him. He already is fed up because he has been exploring, and then 10 people are calling up and all. A smart real estate agent, they should not call the buyer instantly. It should be that if he calls you, it is always good. Okay, you should get into that system of making buyers call you, making sellers call you, and all that. All that can be made with just a process following, if you follow the process that I tell. First is you should send him a message. Then the message with the link will give him clarity. Then if he's really seriously interested, he will call you. If it doesn't call you, right, you will be sitting here, I sent the message to him, he has not replied. Why is he not replied? Shall I pick up the phone and call him? No. A serious customer, if you have seen the message, right, he will definitely call you. He's not calling you because he is not having time to call you immediately. He's already occupied in some other work. So he knows now that you have responded and he should call you. It will be there in his mind. But when he is free only, he will call you. He will not call you instantly. So you don't be in a hurry. As soon as you send the message, don't expect him to call you back, or you don't call him up and ask him for a site visit and all those things. Don't do that. Okay. In real estate business, if you are very smart, you should have very, very, good patience, and then you should act in this manner only. Your lead generation should increase. If you want more site visits to happen, let's say you've got about 1,000 leads, right? Out of 1,000 leads, you will be able to bring around 100 people to the site visits, okay, prior to lockdown. And prior to lockdown, what was the result? Out of 100 visits, okay, there will be probably 10 conversions. So for this 100 visits to happen, you may take 6 months, you may take 1 year, okay. In a month, if you want one sale to happen, then you should have about 10 site visits of a particular property, one property. 10 site visits to 10 different properties doesn't give you result. 10 site visits to one property will give you one result. Okay. So if you have 10 properties, you must be having 100 site visits. Then you will be able to do 10 sales. Okay. So that's how the law was working prior to pandemic. Now what is happening is, instead of 10 site visits, it will be 30 site visits. Okay. But online. It's not offline. Online. Online, people are wanting to see more properties. They will shortlist 1 or 2 properties. When they visit that property, it will be a sure shot closure. So somebody is visiting a site now, or after lockdown, definitely it will be a closure. Why do I say that? Because nobody wants to go out of the house now because of Corona, pandemic, problem. So family advises that don't go, see online, see whether you can get the information here itself, talk to that person, you do shortlisting, you do some research online only. So why do you want to go there and see and all that? This is the advice you will start getting from people within the family. But when after seeing everything, exploring everything at home, then he says that this property appears to be good property, let's go and finalize. Then both family, the family, entire family will go there and they will see if they like the property, then and there itself they'll give the check and come. This is what is happening now. So your question is how to increase the site visits. Leads are generated, but the leads generated are not getting into site visits. That is because of this reason only, because they are exploring. At home only they are exploring. Earlier what they used to do is simply they will come and see your site, and after that 2-3 months they will not even reply to you. They will be seeing many other sites. Now today all that exercise they are doing at home, and that's why it is getting delayed for site visit. Don't worry, but you be in touch with them, okay, by sending messages, talking to them over the phone after the message is being replied by them. So then get into this kind of a mode, and you will find that the closures will be faster than what it used to happen prior to pandemic. Okay, hope this information was useful to you. In fact, some of them asked me questions like, sir, how is that you are giving so many free advices to all of us? What is the reason behind? Okay, one is, I'm working on a mission that, I need to create 1 lakh real estate agents as digital real estate experts, because people are not aware how to get into digital real estate business selling. So I am in the process of teaching them. Okay, for that I am conducting webinars almost every week, right? So in the next week, on 28th of this month, I am having a webinar at 8 p.m. live webinar for 2 hours, 8 to 10 p.m. Okay, if you are one among the person who is interested to attend this live webinar, you please attend this webinar. Put your interest here down below, and I'll be sending you the registration link to you, and you can register for that webinar. Okay, what am I going to teach you in this webinar? I'm going to teach you in 90 days time how you can earn a minimum of 3 lakhs. Okay, sitting at the comfort of your home, and how you can do business. This is what I'm going to actually train you on that webinar today. Okay, if you are one among that person who is interested to attend this webinar, come register yourself, put your name, put your number, and I'll send you the registration link. Thank you so much.